What do you do when you're on surveillance and a police officer demands that you move from your surveillance position? Now, I've never had an officer be like that with me. I've found police officers to be generally reasonable. I'm reasonable, and after a short discussion, they realize nothing illegal is going on and they depart. However, sometimes you'll hear the advice that you should explain to the officer that you're in a legal spot, you're in public, you're not doing anything wrong. I personally cannot believe a citizen has ever been able to show an officer a legal statute that had the officer change his mind about how he's handling things. Always, I would move on if he wants me to move on. The number one rule on the street is the police will always win on the street. Always. You can challenge that win later in court, but on the street, the cop always, every single time, gets his way. Don't try to fight it. When you leave on good terms, you can always start again later, pursuing your investigation to get the information your client needs, and that's really what it's all about. In the meantime, remember, do the right thing, even if it's the hard thing.